My name is Vitor and we are here with Estenove to explore the beautiful city of Istanbul.
Today we already went to the Galata Tower. We had an amazing breakfast.
So the process was great. It was simple, to be honest. I had no pain. On a scale from 0 to 10, I would say it was like a 2. So yeah, now I'm looking forward to see the final results. Thank you so much to Estenove for this amazing experience. They helped me with everything, like the hotel, the transfers, the treatment as well, and I couldn't recommend it more, so I give it a 5 stars.